So it is freezing here in Louisiana right now. It is about 3 degrees Celsius, which is like 33, 35 Fahrenheit. And so all the kids are hiding in the bathrooms to stay warm. So I'm gonna show you what they're doing. What are you guys doing?
What are you doing? Warming up.
Warming up.
Don't push me. Toby's in that bathroom.
Hi, Toby. We're gonna get some action.
No way.
No. I want to see you do it. I've never actually seen you do it.
I don't want you recording me while I do this.
What? You're fully clothed. It's fine. Just do it. I just came to
You're just gonna follow me out of the bathroom?
Yeah, why not?
Camera.
It's cold. It is warm in here. I will say that. It is nice and warm. What are you doing? Are you guys just running in and out of here?
Yeah.
Okay. We're gonna take the bus.
In this one. Right?
You're taking the bus? What?
Yeah, we're taking the bus. So that's what the kids are doing, hiding in the bathrooms to stay warm, which honestly, that's probably a good idea because I am out here barefoot because I'm Canadian, or at least I think I'm Canadian. This is what I drink instead of coffee. It has 0 caffeine. Has dandelion in it, lots of good nutrients.
Hello.
What are you eating?
Bread with cheese, tomatoes, and hummus.
It's a rocking chair. What did you say? Johnny and the Bets? Johnny and the Bets. Yeah. Hi, Drew. Yeah. Yeah?
Oh yeah, yes. And
Levi, did you just wake up? Oh, he ain't having it.
Are we done with water? Power?
I think so.
The heater's off? Jumanji, Jumanji, I don't even remember how it goes.
Oh my gosh, that was the worst thing I've ever heard in my life. But you projected, wow. You should do that without that note and sing with that same amount of passion, Broadway style. Well, it's gonna one note. guys are all cold?
Yes. Yes. My I can't feel them. Well, no, duh. It's freezing out there. Yeah. My fingers are numb.
Oh my gosh. That's my new thing now.
Charge cord.
Play that back.
I'm gonna go insert Narnia.
No, what? What's it called?
Narnia.
Narnia?
No, Narnia.
Narnia.
No, Narnia.
Did you go inside?
Oh, did you last one?
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, we went to the back.
Message your friend. Tap the brakes.
But our PSIs, our air system was like right up to 115. It shouldn't go over 135.
Hey, rookie. That's not.
How do you know he's a rookie?
Oh, I'm just saying. Just move fast.
Oh, it's right there. Oops. Dude, tell me.
Press the brakes. So